Hey, it's Kat. I told you, it doesn't look good. In my opinion, Tory looks kind of like sedated, depressed, as he should be. I mean, you know what I'm saying? He's exhausted. And the judge just kept saying, like, deny, and things like, well, it was, I never say that guy's name right because I couldn't stand the second counsel. Medesian or whatever. He didn't object to this, he didn't object to that, so you can't argue that now. But that proves ineffectual counsel, and it also, to me, kind of proves the fruit from a poisonous tree. If you started off with Sean Hawley being a lawyer is conflicted because she has ties to Rock Nation, and then she turns Medesian onto Tory to do his trial 2 weeks before it's going to start, then you possibly do have ineffectual counsel based on a conflict of interest. But the judge acts like he doesn't want to hear all that. I mean, I feel like the defense seems overwhelmed and depressed about not getting their way. But again, as I said on Twitter, I believe, like I gave this person an example. A long time ago, I wanted to go to a concert when I was a kid, right? And I read that book. I think it was Think and Grow Rich. And I literally made a list from A to Z how I was going to go to that concert. And what I would want to say is I would expect an attorney to realize you may not get what you want from the judge, so have a backup plan, no? Just like a martial artist, if someone's going to punch you this way, you might sway that way. But they wanted to do it the way they wanted to do it, and it didn't fly with the judge. Deny. Pretty much Medesian fucked up, tough shit. So this is Kat TLCV. Like, some days you have a really bad day in court, but I'm getting the vibe from the judge that he's not looking for a new trial, you know? But defense is going to argue that he should maybe be not on the bench for this case. An interesting side note, they had the wrong name of the judge on the placard on his bench. It was a lady. I guess they were too lazy to change out her name and put his name, Judge Herriford, on the bench today. That's just a small thing that I noticed, but it does not, you know, Cuntiff is probably static, you know, because it's highly unlikely that there's going to be a new trial. But, you know, it's up to you guys out there. You need to go out, you need to get online, and you need to ask Kelsey Harris. And you need to ask Kylie Jenner. And you need to ask Sean Hawley. What is your relationship with Rock Nation? I mean, and what's going on with the doctor? Did Dr. Milton forge those documents? I don't even know why the defense hasn't brought that up yet. But you guys got to do the work, because this is looking bad. And it looks like they're just draining Tory. They're draining him. They're draining him financially. They're draining him emotionally. They're trying to break. That's what I keep thinking, how to break a slave. Willie Lynch. That's what they're doing. Anyway, Alexander Bott's coming out.